How to price your home to sell. Pricing your home to sell is one of the most important steps in selling a house. It can be difficult to figure out what price range will attract buyers and also make sure you don't leave money on the table. There are several factors that go into pricing your home, including market conditions, current trends, demand for similar homes in the area, and more. If done correctly, setting an appropriate asking price can help ensure a successful sale at top dollar for your property. To get started with pricing your home to sell, there are some tips and strategies that will help you maximize the appraised value while still attracting potential buyers. Researching local market trends and conditions. Researching local trends and conditions is an essential part of pricing your home to sell. Knowing the current state of the housing market in your area can help you find out what buyers are looking for, how much they're willing to pay, and where there may be opportunities to increase value. By researching local markets, you can better understand what homes like yours have sold for recently and use data to set a competitive asking price that will attract potential buyers while also ensuring you get top dollar for your property. Identifying your home's unique selling points. Identifying your home's unique selling points is an important factor in pricing your home to sell. Having a clear understanding of the features that make your property stand out from others on the market can help you be more realistic with your asking price and also ensure the potential buyers are aware of the unique qualities of your property. Additionally, highlighting certain features can help differentiate the listing from other similar properties in the area and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Assessing the condition of your home and making repairs or improvements. Assessing the condition of your home and making repairs or improvements is an important part of pricing your home to sell. An accurate assessment of the condition of your home will provide you with an accurate and realistic asking price that will help you attract potential buyers, while also ensuring you get top dollar for your property. Making sure any necessary repairs are taken care of beforehand can also be a great way to increase estimated value of your home, as it demonstrates to potential buyers that you have taken the time to ensure it is in good condition. Comparing your home to similar properties in the area. Comparing your home to similar properties in the area is an important step when pricing your home to sell. Doing so will give you a better understanding of what buyers are looking for and how much they're willing to pay for homes like yours. Additionally, it can help you set a competitive asking price that will attract potential buyers and while ensuring that you get top dollar for your property. Working with a real estate agents to determine the best price. Working with a real estate agents to determine the best home selling price when pricing your home to sell is an important step in selling a house. Our real estate agents can provide invaluable insights into local market trends, current conditions, and demands for similar homes in the area. They can also help you identify any unique features of your property that could increase its value in the eyes of potential buyers. Understanding the importance of accurate pricing when selling your home is essential for achieving a successful sale at top dollar. Accurate pricing takes into account factors such as local market trends and conditions, demand for similar homes in the area, unique selling points of your property, and more. By researching these factors and understanding what buyers are looking for in a home like yours, you can set an appropriate asking price that will attract potential buyers, while also ensuring that you get top dollar for your property. Avoiding common pricing mistakes is essential when pricing your home to sell. Setting the wrong price can be a costly mistake, as it could result in you either not selling the house or having to accept an offer significantly lower than what you were expecting. That is why it's important to take into account factors such as local market trends and conditions, demand for similar homes in the area, unique selling points for your property, and more when setting an asking price. Considering time on market and price reductions. Market and price reductions when pricing your home to sell is essential for achieving a successful sale on top dollar. Setting the wrong home selling price can result in house not selling or having to accept an offer significantly lower than what you were expecting. Therefore, it's important to take into account factors such as local market trends and conditions, demand for similar homes in the area, how long comparable properties have been on the seller's market, and more when setting an asking price. Negotiating a fair sale price with buyers. Negotiating a fair sale price with buyers is an important step when pricing your home to sell. By understanding local sellers' market and researching comparable homes in the area, you can set an appropriate asking list price that will attract potential buyers while also ensuring that you get top dollar for your property. Additionally, negotiating a fair sale price with buyers gives you more flexibility in terms of what they are willing to pay for your house. Finalizing the sale and closing process. Finalizing the sale and closing process is an essential step in pricing your home to sell. By understanding the local market and researching comparable properties, you can set an appropriate asking price that will attract potential buyers, while still ensuring that you get top dollar for your property. Negotiating a fair sale price with buyers gives you more flexibility in terms of what they're willing to pay for your house, allowing you to maximize its market value by ensuring any improvements or repairs made prior to selling provide maximum return on investment. Conclusion: selling your home can be a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and pricing strategy, you can ensure that you get top dollar for your property. Understanding local real estate market trends and conditions, researching comparable properties in the area, negotiating fair sale prices with buyers, finalizing sales documents. All of these steps are essential if you want to successfully sell quickly your home at top dollar. Additionally, selling your house directly to cash home buyers, the Eagle Cash Buyers, is also an excellent option as it provides instant liquidity and eliminates any potential delays or complications associated with traditional real estate transactions. With strategies in mind, you'll have everything you need to price and sell your home quickly so that you can move on to the next chapter of life.